Welcome to the first episode of our new segment, Quick Shift, and I'm your host D, where we will cater all updates about the Indian passenger automotive sector under one roof. So in case if you have missed the teaser first hook of our Quick Shift, just click on the link above and watch to get the full insight of this pit stop. Here, we are planning to launch a single episode every month for you guys to remain on the track. Now, for the very first time, Auto News is going to be classified with a little twist and a pinch of salt. We have tried to divide the auto insights mainly in three segments. So come along and let me unfold each section one by one, and by the end of the video you will get to know what these sections are referring to, as we believe petrol heads doesn't run without fuel. Coming to our first segment, Hot Wheels. थोड़ा नरम लेकिन बहुत गरम. Tata Motors has recently signed a memorandum of understanding with the government of Tamil Nadu to establish a new vehicle manufacturing plant. The company plans to invest Rs 9,000 crores over the next 5 years. As part of this collaboration, Tata Motors will launch two new vehicles, Tata Curve EV and Tata Curve ICE, in the coming months. The project aims to boost the automotive industry in the region and contribute to economic growth. On the other hand, Tamil Nadu is often referred as the Detroit of India, as it's a home to several automobile manufacturers like BMW, Hyundai, Nissan, and Renault. Tesla, the American EV giant, is scouting on the state to plug its EV manufacturing facility that could eventually supply cars for domestic as well as international market. The Citroën EC3, an electric car, has received a 0 safety rating in the crash test conducted by Global NCAP. This rating highlights significant safety concerns for potential buyers and raises awareness about vehicle safety. The severely damaged EC3 underscores the need for improved safety features and standards in the automotive industry. Whereas Mahindra Bolero Neo has scored such a low rating mainly due to its side-facing third-row seats. The report also stated that the SUV has an unstable structure, and additionally it also showed weak chest protection and feet protection for the driver. It doesn't even offer curtain airbags or seatbelt reminders for all passengers. As per Indian auto industry's manufacturing body SIAM, that is Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, the automobile sector has shown a massive sales growth with 12.5% by the end of this financial year. This period, there is a rise of 2.12 million units to 2.38 million units in the total domestic sales, where only the passenger vehicle sales rose to 8.4% and the two-wheelers with a surge of 13.3%. The passenger vehicle segment led the growth, with the total sales touching nearly 5 million units, including their 4.2 million domestic sale, which is 8.4%, and 0.7 million exports. Now recently, the Transport Department of the Government of Gujarat has reportedly issued a strict instruction of unauthorized white LED headlights in any type of vehicle will be barred from now onwards. It clearly states that any vehicle owner caught with modification in white LED headlights will face legal action with heavy penalty. The Ahmedabad RTO has already started a campaign regarding this. Moving on towards our second segment, New Torques, नई सोच और उच्च विचार. Mark your calendar on 29th of April 2024 as Mahindra XUV 3XO is stepping to set a benchmark with a host of all refreshed technology and jaw-dropping performance numbers. With their official teaser, they are claiming 0.60 kilometers in just 4.5 seconds, while the fuel efficiency is 20.1 kmpl, which means it's more faster and more fuel efficient than before. One of the standout features of XUV 3XO is its first-in-segment panoramic skyroof, now upgraded to a dual-pane configuration. Here in India, Toyota Fortuner has always a different cult follower. Now, with this edition, it got positioned as a VIP mobile effect. This time, the approach towards the Fortuner Leader Edition is a bit different, with both the headlights and bumpers are identical to the Fortuner Sigma, but it gets added body kits and blackened elements to add a sporty touch. The cost is not announced yet, while it will come in 3 dual-tone colors: Super White, Platinum Pearl White, and Silver Metallic, all offered with a black roof. With the launch of Taygun GT line and Taygun GT Plus Sport that has been priced with Rs 14.08 lakhs and Rs 18.53 lakhs ex-showroom respectively, Volkswagen has always promised a thrilling experience coupled with peace of mind ownership. Why? Because with the complimentary 4-year service value package, for the detailed pricing and features of both the Taygun GT line and Taygun GT Plus Sport models, you can pause the screen and check out for your reference. Now, the upcoming Kia Clavis SUV has been spotted during testing on Indian roads for the first time. Despite being heavily covered, the prototype hints at its early testing phases, fueling expectations for its grand debut in the Indian market. It is likely to compete with other sub-4-meter SUVs like the Maruti Suzuki Brezza and the Hyundai Venue. The petrol-powered Clavis is expected to be revealed in India by the end of this year, with a launch anticipated in early 2025. Pricing is expected to be slightly higher than the Sonet, which is currently starts at Rs 7.99 lakhs. And our last segment, driver's discount. इस रात की सुबह नहीं. Maruti Suzuki has extended their special schemes and benefits for the month of April 2024 as well. Models sold through their Arena and Nexa showrooms, which you can see in the screen, comes with a discount of over Rs 60,000 on almost all models except Brezza and Ertiga. Customers are also eyeing for Nexon EVs applicable to all variants manufactured between September to December 2023 will be getting a green offer of Rs 50,000, while Tata Tiago EVs of manufacturing year 2023 will get offers up to Rs 65,000, including Rs 50,000 of green bonus and an exchange offer of up to Rs 15,000. Meanwhile, Tiago EVs of manufacturing year 2024 can avail discounts of up to Rs 35,000 on LR variants and benefits of up to Rs 20,000 on the XE and XT medium range trims. Thank you for staying with us. Stay hydrated with whatever you think suits you. Until our next episode in the next month.